Welcome to Tranquil Opinions, serving hot takes with a side of curiosity and wonder to spark the imagination. Hello, everyone. Today I want to share a thought that has been lingering in my mind: Comet Atlas, or as astronomers call it, Three-Eye Atlas. You might think it's just a comet, but as I've looked closer, as I've watched it trace its path across the sky, I've realized it is anything but ordinary. There is something quietly extraordinary about this visitor from the stars, and some have even wondered, could it be something altogether different? Perhaps. But before we wander into speculation, let's start with what we know. Comet Atlas was discovered not long ago, and already it has captured the attention of astronomers. It travels on a hyperbolic trajectory, a path that tells us it is not bound to our sun's gravity. This is an interstellar traveler, passing briefly through our cosmic neighborhood before it continues its journey into the void. To witness an object from another solar system glide through ours is a rare gift, a reminder that the universe is vaster, stranger, and more magnificent than we can fully comprehend. And Atlas itself is peculiar. Its glow sometimes tinged green, its composition unusually rich in carbon dioxide, its tail sometimes ghostly, nearly invisible. Scientists watch closely, for this comet does not entirely follow the familiar patterns we have come to expect. It behaves as if the cosmos is quietly inviting us to take a closer look. Now, there are those of us who ask daring questions. Avi Loeb, a physicist at Harvard, has wondered aloud, what if this is not a natural comet? What if, in some unfathomable way, it is artificial? Yes, it sounds improbable, but when we gaze at Atlas, its trajectory, its unusual glow, its defiance of expectation, speculation becomes not a flight of fancy, but a reflection of curiosity. Most scientists caution against such ideas. It behaves like a natural object, they say, and perhaps they are right. Yet the humility of science is in knowing what we do not know. An interstellar visitor does not answer to our certainty. It whispers to the parts of us that still dare to wonder. And Atlas is not alone. Other comets, C 2025R2 Swan and C 2025A6 Lemon, also traverse our solar system. None are dangerous, yet they remind us that our solar system is not a static place. Objects move, paths cross, and in the darkness beyond, countless travelers remain unseen, waiting to visit. What else might be heading our way that we cannot yet perceive? And then there is the question of knowledge itself. Suppose a massive asteroid or another cosmic threat were heading toward Earth. How much would we want to know? Would awareness bring action or panic? Human nature is complex. Fear is real. Desire for hope, for calm, all of this colors how we approach the unknown. Atlas, harmless, as it likely is, touches the same chord. It evokes the awe of the unknown, the thrill of possibility, and the quiet fear of the vast cosmic stage on which we play our small part. But here is the wonder. Even if Atlas is simply a comet, it hails from another star, another solar system, orbiting a sun we may never see, passing through our tiny corner of the universe. Every planet, every star, every object out there could be utterly unlike our own. Perhaps life exists, perhaps not. Yet in the simple act of observing, we touch something profound. We are reminded that we are part of a grand cosmic story, and that truly is astonishing. I cannot help but think of the movie Interstellar. Fiction mirrors the universe more closely than we often realize. The idea of objects traveling between worlds, of different places brushing against our own. Atlas embodies that feeling, a mysterious visitor, brief, unpredictable, and humbling in its presence. What is Comet Atlas? A comet from afar? An enigmatic messenger? A spark of cosmic possibility? Perhaps we will never know, and that is precisely why it matters. It reminds us that the universe is vast, beautiful, and full of mysteries beyond our comprehension, that we are small, yet capable of wonder. That curiosity is a bridge to the stars. Carl Sagan once reminded us that we are a way for the universe to know itself. In observing Atlas, we fulfill that promise, and that is a gift. Thank you for exploring this mystery with me. Share your thoughts, gaze at the night sky, and let the cosmos inspire you.